let's take a look at this. So this topic is under grouping. That means we need to group a certain number of things together to find one group and then divide by the total, usually. So let's take a look at this example. Mark bought an equal number of shorts and shirts for $100. A shirt costs $8 and a pair of shorts costs $12. So equal number, so therefore one group is equals to one shirt plus one shorts. Right, that's the minimum number at 1 and 1 equals to 12 plus 8. And that's $20. So he bought a total number of, he spent total for $100. So you need to find the number of groups. And that is $100 divided by one group is $20 equals to 5 groups. So he bought 5 shirts plus 5 shorts. So the question asks, how much did he spend on the shirts? So since he bought 5 shirts, so it's 5 times, each shirt costs $8, so 5 times 8 equals to $40. So he spent $40 on the shirts. So for this question, the thing that you got to take note of is you need to find one group, which is the minimum that you can create. So that's at least he has to buy one shirt and one shorts, because they say that he bought an equal number. So the most minimum he can go is one shirt and one short, and that is $20. And you know that he spent $100. So therefore, you need to find the number of groups, which is 100 divided by 20, you get 5 groups. So 5 groups means he bought 5 shirts, which is 5 group multiplied by this. So you actually have to multiply by this. Therefore, you get 5 shirts and 5 shorts. So 5 shirts, each shirt costs $8. He's asking how much you spend on the shirts. So total, that is $40. So let's take a look at this question. It's quite similar. So John bought 2 more pairs of shorts than shirts and paid a total of $124. A shirt costs 8 and each pair of shorts costs 12. How many shirts did he buy? How many pair of shorts did he buy? So again, for this kind, please draw the models just to let you understand better. So 2 more pair of shorts than shirts. So the model looks like this: shorts on top because there's more shirts below. So there's 2 more pairs of shorts. So how much does these 2 pairs cost? So 2 times each pair of shorts costs $12. So 12 equals 24. So we need to find out this part that is equal, how much did he spend? So then you take 124 minus away 24, which is this part, equals to 100. Okay, so I changed it for you. Now this is 24. So altogether, it's 124. So you minus away this 24. That means this part is 100. So the second part is the same. You have 1 shirt plus 1 short equals to 20. It's the same solution as the question above. So I want you to try this out yourself. Okay, let's take a look at this question. So Mary makes $2.50 for every bottle of pills she sells. She'll be paid a bonus of $10 for every 50 bottles she sells. How many bottles must she sell in order to make $450? So 1 bottle is, she earns $2.50. So 50 bottles, she earns 50 times $2.50 plus this bonus of 10. So you need to plus the 10 equals. So for every 50 bottles, she earns 135. So now you need to make 400. So 450. So I take 450 divided by 135. And I know I only want the whole number. So it's 3 and some remainder. But I'm only interested in the whole number. So what I'll do is I'll take the whole number, 3, multiply by 135, and that is $405. So I know if she sells 3 groups of 50 bottles, she will earn $405, but since she wants 450, I need to take 450 minus away 405 equals $45. So she needs an extra 45. So I need to find how many bottles you need to sell to get that 45. So 45 divided by 250, which is 1 bottle, equal 18 bottles. Alright, so I know sometimes this might seem a bit confusing, so I'm going to draw it out for you. So I'm going to sell 50 bottles, 50 bottles, 50 bottles, and another 18 bottles in order to earn my 450. So 50 bottles is $135, 135, another 135, another 135, and 18 bottles I earn 45. So if I add up all of this, it should get me $450. So that means I need to sell 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 18 bottles equals 168 bottles. So that's the answer. So let's come back to this question again. So first of all, 1 bottle is $250. You need to find 50 bottles is $135 plus the $10 bonus. And then after that, I know I need 450. So I need to know how many 50 bottles do I need to sell at first. So I know I can sell 3 rounds of the 50 bottles, because by the 4th round I would be over 450. So then I take 3 times 135, I know I get 405, and the leftover I still need $45, and that will be given to me by the 250 per bottle. So 45 divided by 250, I know I need 18 more bottles. So in terms of the overall picture, you got 50 bottles, 50 bottles, 50 bottles. That's 135 each. And then I need another 18 bottles at 45 to hit 450. And to do that, I need to sell 168 bottles.